Forget everything you think you know about minivans. The 2026 Toyota Sienna isn't just a family hauler, it's a rolling sanctuary, a tech lounge, and a comfort zone on wheels. Toyota hasn't simply updated the Sienna, they've reimagined what a family vehicle can be. Whether you're chauffeuring kids, packing for a weekend escape, or enjoying a solo drive, this is the kind of ride that makes life feel effortless. Let's start with the heart of the machine. Every 2026 Sienna comes standard with Toyota's fuel-sipping hybrid powertrain, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors for a combined 245 horsepower. The result? An impressive 36 mpg combined, whether you choose front-wheel drive or the available all-wheel drive. Sure, it's not built for drag strips, but when you're juggling errands, road trips, and school runs, the smooth and quiet hybrid drive becomes your best daily companion. And for those who think minivans are bland, meet the Sienna XSE trim. This version brings blacked-out accents, 20-inch wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension. At a glance, it could pass for a sporty SUV. But step inside, and you'll realize it offers something SUVs can't match: sheer, unmatched space. And at around $45,000, it delivers features and comfort that rival luxury crossovers twice the price. Inside, Toyota designed the Sienna with real life in mind. The second-row captain's chairs slide a full 25 inches back, giving your passengers legroom that rivals business-class flights. There are 18 cup holders, yes, 18, and clever storage everywhere, from an overhead shelf to a massive center console that stretches between the front seats. Whether it's juice boxes, laptops, or snacks for the road, there's a spot for everything. Technology? Even the base model comes loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Step up the trims, and you're greeted by a sharp 12.3-inch infotainment display, a head-up display, wireless phone charging, and a JBL 12-speaker sound system that turns every drive into a private concert. For families, the optional rear-seat entertainment setup is a lifesaver, keeping the kids happy and the parents sane on long drives. When it comes to driving, the Sienna might surprise you. No, it's not going to pin you to your seat, but a 0 to 60 time of about 7.5 seconds is more than respectable for a vehicle of its size. More importantly, it rides beautifully, quiet, smooth, and composed, even when packed to the roof. And with its hybrid system, you're not just saving fuel, you're getting regenerative braking for smoother stops and a more relaxed drive. Cargo space is another win. The third row folds flat into the floor for instant storage, and while the second row seats can't be removed, they slide forward to open up a massive 101 cubic feet of space. That's more than enough for camping gear, Costco runs, or even an entire soccer team's equipment. And, of course, safety is a top priority. Every 2026 Sienna comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's peace of mind, standard, because when you're carrying your most precious cargo, nothing else matters more. At the end of the day, the 2026 Toyota Sienna is proof that family vehicles don't have to be boring. It's efficient, comfortable, tech-packed, and dare we say, stylish. SUVs may try to steal the spotlight, but when it comes to blending practicality with comfort, the Sienna is in a class of its own.